We're in the middle of building an office right now in the shop, so it's kind of a mess, but there's gonna be a loft up there. It's pretty cool. But if you notice, the S2000 is in the shop, and there's its cylinder head. I haven't been really uploading much because we've been doing a whole bunch of upgrades, trying to make the shop more efficient. Had to get a new breaker box and everything like that. I got some trash bags in my hand because we are going to pick up my new engine today. It is actually the engine I had built for the AP1, but change of plans with the AP1, so the AP2 is going to get the built F20. The AP1 is going to be getting F24. Got a new breaker box in too. It's pretty cool. I like upgrading shit. But let me show you the skid that I built real quick after work. It's a weekend, but I got some OT in, cover the bills of this car. Yeah.
Lock these doors, man.
It's a little chilly here. This is all ice. It's just kind of sliding around. But yeah, I got some 4x4s, some wood, and the trash bag for the engine. So let's see where this goes. Yo, check it out. They look like bodies, but they're engines.
This is what $20,000 worth of Honda engines look like. Dead bodies.
Yeah. Now you might not think that's a lot. JK, you're thinking that's a lot. But the F20 on the left, we're going 1,200 horse. The K series on the right, pretty close to the same.
Probably like
so 800, yeah. So let's get back home, and I gotta go to work. So I am in the back of the truck because I need to take a nap because I straight from work and built the little pallet you guys saw back there and got everything squared away. And then we headed out, and we're about 2 hours away from home. It's coming up on 5 o'clock. I go in at 11, so I should be able to get about 4 or 5 hours.
Levi's got to work.
So yeah, I'm working some OT to pay for this engine. You know, you would too, I promise. All right, it is 7 o'clock. We just got the engines back. Look, he's got his engine, which is a, what is it, a full CSS closed deck K24?
Levi just woke up, so I'll do the talking. Yeah, that's a full CSS closed deck O-rings K24 Z7 out of my 9th gen. Don't know what I'm doing with it yet. I'm kind of in limbo. In the meantime, I've already sourced another engine. And
this is a fully built CSS closed deck
O-ring.
O-ringed F20C out of an AP1 S2000, which is my other S2000. This one's going to my AP2. AP2 is getting the F24, and then so forth. So
AP1.
Oh shit.
AP1's getting the F24.
Yeah. So AP1's getting the F24. AP2's sticking with the F20, F22. So when this one inevitably throws a rod or whatever, you know, it'll get a F22 back in it. It's just got some basic ass spark plugs in it right now. I think we say BREK 7s. I think is what he says in it. I can't remember.
I thought those were the cans. What was he talking about?
The spark plugs.
What were we talking about? The cans? What?
They're BC2s.
BC.
Yeah. So we got some Brian Crowder cams in here. This thing should make some jam. We're good for 1,200, I guess, is what he said. So
900 it is.
1,200 it is.
As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.